Mabuhay! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and we are back for another video reaction. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Love. So for today's video guys, we'll do react on this talented artist from Philippines, Stel Ahero. As he uploaded this video titled, Di Ko Masabi. Wow, I'm really so excited to listen to it guys because it's been a while since I did the reaction video on Stel and I'm really so excited. Well, before we start this video, big shout out to all 18. Big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. And to all Stel Ahero fans who's always watching my reaction video on him. Thank you so much guys. Big shout out to you. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Di mo lang napapansin, narito itong kaibigan mo. Di mo nahahalata, lagi kang tinititigan. Ilang taon na ring ika'y kasama sa mga pangarap. Pangarap ko sa habang buhay ay tayong dalawa. Iniiwasan lang na magtapat at pagkabigla na lang ika'y mabibigla at bigla kang magbago. Pangarap ko sa habang buhay ay tayong dalawa. Iniiwasan lang na magtapat at pagkabigla na lang ika'y mabibigla at bigla kang mabago. Kahit tagal na akong nagtitimping
So, there you have it, guys. The Di Ko Masabi official music video by Stel Ahero. You know, first time ko napakinggan to at first time ko din napanood. Sobrang na-speechless lang ako kasi ang galing ni Stelo Marte. At the same time, napahanga talaga ako dun sa boses niya. Wala akong masabi. Wow! Na-speechless ako, like, literal, na-speechless. Gusto ko yung lyrics. Sobrang ganda ng lyrics. Hindi siya mahirap kabisaduhin. At the same time, habang pinapanood mo yung music video, ma-realize mo na lang sa sarili mo na kumakanta ka na rin kasama siya. Kasi talagang maaantig yung puso mo. Alam mo yun, madadala ka dun sa kante. Kasi sobrang ganda ng lyrics. At the same time, yung harmony ng song, talagang aalunin ka na lang or alam mo yun, dadalhin ka na lang dun sa point na kinakanta mo na rin siya. Sobrang ganda. And wow, ang ganda ng boses ni Stel. Talagang napaspeechless ako. Talagang natulala ako, guys. Hindi ako makapag-comment habang nanonood. Parang gusto ko na lang painggan, actually, na natulala lang ako. Anyway, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoy your reaction video for today. Because I really love Stel. And I really love this song. And if you want to watch a full video this, I'm gonna put the link on my description box below. But check it, and if you haven't subscribe to the channel, please still like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, guys, please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated to all my videos. Hope you went for the rest of your day. I'll be seeing you guys later. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe, everyone. Ingat po tayo lahat.